Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at your home. And I'm your computer teacher. My name is Pooja. You know very well because in the previous session, I'm your computer teacher. So that's why you know very well. In this session, also, again, I'm going to teach you your subject computer. Okay. So our first chapter, we are going to read our first chapter, which is based on more on MS Window 10. Now, what is window? Anybody can tell me what is window? But windows are operating systems. Means operating system is the system which provides the interface between user and computer. Because अगर operating system ही नहीं होगा, how we can interface? हम कैसे इंटरफेस करेंगे कंप्यूटर के साथ और कैसे कंप्यूटर हमसे इंटरफेस करेगा? How we can communicate with each other? So to provide the interface, the operating system is required. Without it, it is not possible to communicate with the computers or to do the task without operating system. So Windows 10, MS Windows 10 provides some new features, some new updated features which makes our life very easier to perform some task. Okay, so it comes with some new features. So now what are the features of MS Windows 10? The first one is better usability. Means it is very user friendly and it is very flexible to use. Okay, it has some new features which helps the user to get the best out of it. Means user उन नए features को use करके कुछ best output get कर सकता है. For example, the virtual desktop on which the user can create or user can open the multiple desktops and he can personalize their things according to their priorities also. That's why the feature better usability means हमें ऐसे features मिले हैं वो इतना flexible है, इतना user friendly है कि हम अपनी चीजों को अपनी according, अपनी priorities के according set कर सकते हैं. Now the second feature is continuum. Now what is continuum? Beta, the Windows 10 provides us the continuum features which allows the user those devices which supports the mouse, keyboard and touch input. If our laptop is on if in our laptop there is a facility of touch screen, so it is possible to put the feature Cortana. हम क्या कर सकते हैं अपने लैपटॉप को टच मोड पर भी डाल सकते हैं जिसमें there is no requirement of any keyboard, any mouse to give the input in our computer. So it provides both the facilities. If we want to put it on a touch mode, we can do it, and if we want to use any device and if we want to connect any device with it like keyboard or mouse, we can do it. So both the things are provided by the Windows 10. Now the third one is task view. Yes, what happens in task view? इस फीचर का क्या बेनिफिट है हमें? बेटा टास्क व्यू में आप क्या कर सकते हो? If I want to open more than one app in my desktop, for example, I'm going to open a single folder, then after that I'm going to minimize it. Now I want to play a song, then I want to play a video also. So मैंने सारे folders को open करके उन्हें minimize कर दिया. Now if I want to switch between these desktops or switch between these multiple apps, so how can I do it? We have to click on the task view button which is given on your desktop in the taskbar. You have to click on your task view button. After that, see, on a single desktop all the apps are visible in front of you. You have to click on anyone on which you want to switch. जिस पर आप switch करना चाहते हो आप किसी पर भी click कर सकते हो. Now the fourth one is Cortana feature. What is Cortana feature? Beta, the Windows 10 allows the user कि it can perform certain tasks very easily, very efficiently without touching any keyboard, without touching any keypad. For example, we are going to set the alarms, we are going to set the dates, we are going to read the received mails, we want to send any mails. So there is no need to touch any keyboard, na? So Windows 10 provides this feature also. Now the fifth one is Microsoft Edge. Now what is the benefit of Microsoft Edge? Beta, the Microsoft Edge was a web browser which provides the facility like it in comparison of Internet Explorer, जो आपके previous web browsers थे like Internet Explorer, उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम होती थी? whenever we want to read any document, in between the reading, जब हम reading mode पर होते थे, in between some advertisements will disturb the थिंग्स, वो क्या करते थे? बीच में डिस्टर्बेंस क्रिएट करते थे, सम नोटिफिकेशंस बार बार आते थे. बट नाउ इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज, इफ वी वांट टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट द एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स in our reading mode, we can do it very easily. And if I want to search anything without typing on the without typing any text, so it is possible with the Google Voice also. So it gives us the new features. We can restrict the things in our reading mode. Now the next one is Action Center. What is Action Center? Better see, whenever we are going to do the practical, I will show you on the desktop, on the right side of your desktop in the corner, action centers means some notifications are given. Whenever we want to click on that action centers, some options are given like the tablet mode, like date and time, if we want to on the Bluetooth, if we want to turn it on a touch mode, if we want to connect any device with it, all the notifications are given in the right side of the corner on your desktop, which is called Action Center. The meaning of Action Center means if we want to do the things, if we want to click on any icon and we want to perform the task in a very quick manner, we can access it from there. Okay, and the last one is Window Hello. Beta, it provides us some biometric features, like in biometric your thumb impressions are required, and if we want to put any passwords, if we want to put any security locks in our phones also, we are using thumbprints also, we are using some pattern locks also, we are using some retina passwords also, we are using some facial recognition locks also. So window 10 is only one who gives us the feature of biometrics. मीन्स विंडो 10 ने ही हमें ये फीचर प्रोवाइड किए हैं कि हम बायोमेट्रिक के फीचर्स भी यूज कर सकते हैं. विंडो 10 ने हमें ये फीचर प्रोवाइड किया था. हम थंब इंप्रेशंस यूज कर सकते हैं, हम फेशियल रिकॉग्नाइजेशंस यूज कर सकते हैं. Okay, so these are the features of MS Window 10. Now our next topic is how we can create the desktop, how we can create the multiple desktops, and how we can move between the multiple desktops or between the multiple apps, and how we can close it. Now I will tell you all these things with the help of practical. Okay, so let's start our practical. बेटा बिफोर स्टार्टिंग अवर प्रैक्टिकल, अपना प्रैक्टिकल स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम देखेंगे व्हाट आर द फीचर्स जो हमें MS10 ने प्रोवाइड किए हैं. हमने बात की थी इन अवर थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट टास्क व्यू. सी ऑन योर डेस्कटॉप दिस इज गिवन, दिस वन इज योर टास्क व्यू. व्हेनेवर यू आर गोइंग टू क्लिक ऑन इट, सी टास्क व्यू में आपको वो सारे एप्स, वो आपको सारे रनिंग एप्स दिखाई देंगे जो एट प्रेजेंट ऑन योर डेस्कटॉप आर गोइंग ऑन, जो अभी रन कर रहे हैं. सी लाइक रिकॉर्डिंग, द स्क्रीन, एंड दीज एप्स आर ऑलरेडी ओपन ऑन द डेस्कटॉप. सो it shows you the running apps and you can switch on any app which you want anytime. Okay, and the second feature जिसके बारे में हमने बात की थी, the action center. See on your desktop, on the right side of your desktop, these all are icons. These all icons are given. Like this one is your what? ये आपको क्या बताता है? These all are the hidden icons जो आपको यहाँ पे क्या show करते हैं? What is going on? आप क्या use कर रहे हो? The notification is also given. This one is your notification app. Whenever you have to click on it, see आपको क्या दिखाई देगा? These all are the action center apps, action center icons. For example, I want to on the mobile hotspot, on the spot I'm going to click on it. If I want to open my what, if I want to open my battery saver option, I'm going to click on it directly. if I want to switch on anything, means this notification option is given, which is called action center, and we can perform any action in a very quick manner from there. Okay? So that is the use of action center. And this one is your task bar. Now we can see how we can create the new desktop. See beta, you have to click on task view button again and see the option is given the first new desktop. See in the rectangular box, the new desktop, it is given. You have to click on this. See, the second desktop will be created. Again, I am going to click on it. See, the new desktop is created. It is very easy to create the new desktop. I will repeat it again. You have to click on the task view button and you have to click the new desktop from there. Now, how we can close it? How we can close the desktop? Simple. You have to click on the cross button to close the desktop. Now, how we can move between the apps. See, for example, I'm going to open this folder. Okay? I'm going to click on this folder and minimize it. Again, I'm going to click on this folder also, then minimize it. Then again, I'm going to click on this folder and minimize it. Now, click on the task view. See in your task view, these are the running apps. If we want to click on it, if I want to switch on this app easily, मैं इस पे switch कर सकती हूँ. Same as if I want to switch on the another app again, simply you have to click on it and from the task view, the last one is the see. आप यहाँ से देख सकते हो all three are in front of you. आप जिसे भी यूज करना चाहते हो आप उसे यहाँ से यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है, क्योंकि ऑल एप्स आ रहे हैं. आप जिस भी ऐप पर करंटली स्विच करना चाहते हो, आप जिस भी डेस्कटॉप पर स्विच करना चाहते हो, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट you can easily switch in between these. So this is the procedure to switch between the apps. And task view shows you, ये आपको क्या शो करता है, ऑल द रनिंग एप्स. जो भी आपके अभी कंप्यूटर के डेस्कटॉप पर जो भी एप्स रनिंग है, ये आपको सारे यहाँ पर शो करता है. Now I think it is clear to you how we can create the desktop and how we can switch between the apps. So switch between the apps and how we can close the desktop. Okay. So please practice it at your home. And if you are facing any problem in this, I will discuss with you in our lecture also. Thank you.